In today's video, we are going to learn about arithmetic progressions, which you can study in class 10. So basically, हम पहले एक सीक्वेंस को डिफाइन करते हैं. तो सीक्वेंस अगर हम कोई नंबर्स लिखते हैं जैसे 1, 4, 8, 16 या फिर कुछ भी मतलब रैंडम सा जैसे कि 3, 4, 9, 12 कुछ भी ऐसा रैंडम सा हुआ तो उसको सीक्वेंस बोलते हैं, जहां पर हर एक नंबर की अपनी एक पोजीशन होती है. जैसे इस सीक्वेंस में 3 की 1, 4 की 2, 9 की 3 और 12 की 4 है. पर अगर कोई सीक्वेंस डेफिनाइट डिफरेंस रखता है, मतलब कांस्टेंट डिफरेंस रखता है उनकी दो अलग टर्म्स में, तो उसे हम अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस कहते हैं. जैसे कि हमारे ऑड नंबर्स हो गए 2, 4, 6, 8, जिनका डिफरेंस दो उनके टर्म्स में सेम ही रहता है. जैसे 4 माइनस 2 2, 6 माइनस 4 8, 8 माइनस 6 2, और सेम applies to the odd numbers also. और अगर हमें कोई टर्म इसकी डिफाइन करनी है nth नंबर की, जैसे ये तो फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ तो होता ही है, पर अगर हमें nth नंबर की कोई टर्म डिफाइन करनी है तो उसके लिए हम फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं a, मतलब स्टार्टिंग टर्म प्लस वो कौन से नंबर पे है उसमें से -1 एंड जो डिफरेंस है दिस d. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम nth नंबर हमें इस सीक्वेंस की 11 टर्म निकालनी है तो हम लिखेंगे a11 इक्वल टू 2 प्लस 11 माइनस 1 होता है 10, 10 इंटू 2 20 और 2 प्लस 10 22. सो 11 टर्म सीक्वेंस की होगी 22. वीडियो को पूरा देखना जिससे आपको पूरा एक्सप्लेन अच्छे से हो जाए. तो हम आते हैं एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पल के क्वेश्चंस पे. In an AP, if t equal to -4, n equal to 7 and an equal to 4, then a is. तो हमें an दे रखा है 4. हमने अभी फॉर्मूले में देखा n इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस 1 जो कि होगा 6 और d है -4. सो a ये -24 यहाँ जाएगा तो +24 और ये 4 + 24 28. सो d. इससे हम बहुत ही इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं क्वेश्चंस. In an AP, if a equal to 3.5, d equal to 0, n equal to 101, then a n will be. So we will calculate this also. A n equal to a 3.5 plus n minus 1 means 100 and difference is 0. So 100 into 0 is 0, and if we add 3.5 in this, so it will be 3.5 only. So answer is B. The list of numbers -10, -6, -2, -2 is an AP with difference what? So difference you can see -6 -10. That means the difference between these two terms we have to calculate. These two terms you can calculate anything. So you can get -6 plus 10 equal to 4. So difference you can see that it is increasing with 4 only. So correct option is option B. The 11th term of the AP. So we have already seen that 11th term equal to A means first term, which is -5, or 11 minus 1 equal to 10. Differences you can see -2 increasing by plus 2.5. -5 plus 25, you can do get the answer, which is 20, equal to 20. The first four terms of an AP whose first term is -2 and the common difference is -2 are. So difference is -2, so it is in the AP should increase by -2. So -2, then if you add -2 in this, so it will be -4, and similarly it applies to this whole AP. So the correct option for this question is C. The 21st term of the AP whose first two terms are -3 and 4. So first we will calculate the difference, which is 7, because if you go from -3 to 4, you definitely get 7. Or example 4 minus -3. So you can get 7. Then A21, 21st term of this will be minus 3 plus n minus 1, which is 20, and difference is 7. So minus 3 plus 140. So you will get 137, which is option B. If the second term of an AP is 13 and the fifth term is 25, what is its seventh term? So इसको सॉल्व करने के बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. जैसे लॉन्ग कट तरीका अगर आप स्कूल के मेथड से देखो तो ऐसा है, a2 equal to a which is first term plus 2 minus 1d equal to 13 and a5 equal to a plus 4d because 5 minus 1 4d equal to 25. इसको इससे सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो, ए कट जाएगा, माइनस 3d माइनस 12 बच जाएगा, माइनस माइनस कैंसल, d 4 आएगा. इससे हमें 7 टर्म निकालनी है, इसलिए फर्स्ट टर्म भी निकाल देंगे इससे, इसमें 4 रख देंगे, a आएगा 9 इक्वल टू 9 प्लस n माइनस 1 विच इज 6 इंटू d, d इज 4, 9 प्लस 24 विच इज 33. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, अगर 3 टर्म्स में डिफरेंस 12 है तो एक टर्म में डिफरेंस 12/3 रहेगा विच इज इक्वल टू +4. विच टर्म ऑफ द AP इज 210. सो ये तो आप डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हो 21 इंटू 10, बट हमें इसको AP की मेथड से करना है. सो AN है हमारा और 21 प्लस हमें ढूंढना है क्या है, और AN की वैल्यू यहाँ पर 210 है, प्लस n माइनस 1, डिफरेंस 21 से इंक्रीज हो रहा है. 21 के टेबल आपको पता होगा तो डायरेक्टली सॉल्व कर सकते हो. 189 इक्वल टू 21 n माइनस 1, ये 9 से कैंसल, 1 यहाँ पे जाएगा, n इक्वल टू 9 प्लस 1 विच इज 10 टर्म. इसी तरीके से हम डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम्स भी बहुत इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, इसलिए AP का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस है. If the common difference of an AP is 5, then what is A18 minus A13? So this you can do directly also by the difference in 5 terms equal to 5 into 5 which is 25, and if you want to do it in by subjective method, then this will be A minus 17d, A minus 12d, d की वैल्यूज रख देंगे, आ जाएगा आंसर 25. मतलब 85 minus 60 equal to 25. What is the common difference of an AP in which A18 minus A14 equal to 32? So चार टर्म्स का डिफरेंस 32, so एक टर्म में डिफरेंस D equal to 8. We are solving this in terms of competitive exam, that's why we are solving it fast. Common difference आएगा 8, 10 का, इसलिए आंसर रहेगा A. Two APs have the same common difference. The first term of one of these is minus 1 and that of the other is minus 8, and the difference between their 4 terms will be. So A4 first AP का रहेगा minus 1 plus 3D because we are asked of 4 term, and A of 4 which is of second AP will be minus 8 plus 3D, that will be similar, and when you will subtract this 3D will get cancelled, and minus 1 minus 8, so sign will change to plus, and minus 1 plus 8 equal to 7, so answer you will get as 7, 11, therefore it is C. 12th question is, if 7 times the 7th term of an AP is equal to 11 times its 11th term, then its 18th term will be. So this is the most difficult question in this whole video, so we will solve this systematically. 7 A plus 6D equal to 11 A plus 10 D, because 11 minus 1 10 and 7 minus 1 6. So expand कर लेंगे, 7A plus 42D equal to 11A plus 110D. इसको यहाँ लेके जाएंगे, मतलब 7A को 11A की तरफ लेके जाएंगे 4A, और यहाँ पे 32D, sorry, minus 110 plus 42. So when you solve this you will get minus 68. From 4 you will divide this, so A you will get to be minus 17. So you might be wondering what is the importance for this. So A, in solving this question, so A18 you will get A plus n minus 1, which is 17 into D. Now we know that A equal to minus 17D. Putting this value and solving this, so minus 17D plus 17D will get cancelled and answer you will get as 0. The fourth term from the end of the AP, minus 11 is, so the last term of this is 49. So from getting the last term you have to reverse the order, that is A L equal to L plus or minus, you can write minus n minus 1 into D. So fourth term we are asked, so A4 equal to 49 minus 3. Differences you can see increasing by 3. So 49 minus 3, oh sorry, 49 minus 9 equal to 40. So correct option is option B. The famous mathematician associated with finding the sum of the first 100 natural numbers is, so according to the internet I have searched and the answer you can get is option C, Gauss. If the first term of an AP is minus 5 and the common difference is 2, then the sum of first 6 terms is. So हमें AP की sum का अभी तक नहीं बताया तो बता देते हैं. अगर कोई AP है तो उसकी sum हम इस तरह से बता सकते हैं, n/2 first term plus last term, और A by S equal to n/2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. इसे सॉल्व करके हम आंसर ला सकते हैं. So first we will solve this question. We have to find the sum. So Sn, I will write the formula n/2 2A plus n minus 1D. We are asked of 6 terms. For 6 terms, so number of terms n equal to 6. 2A, A is minus 5, so 2 into minus 5 minus 10 plus 6 minus 1 is 5 and 5 into 2 is also 10. Minus 10 plus 10, 0, 6 by 2, whatever it should be, it will be 0 only because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. The sum of first 16 terms of the AP is, so we can also do this directly by the same method, 16 by 2, because we are asked for 16 terms, 10 into 2 20 plus n minus 1 was 15 into minus 4 because it is decreasing by minus 4. So 8 into 20 plus minus 60, which is minus 40. When you will solve this, you will get answer as minus 320, which is your option A. 17th is, in an AP, if A equal to 1, AN equal to 20 and SN equal to 399, then N is. So we will substitute values. 399 equal to N by 2, 21, because A into 120, A is 1, 1 into 2 is 2 plus N minus 1, 19, you can get the answer. So 19, 2 will get in this side, N equal to 38. The sum of first 5 multiples of 3 is, so first 5, so first we will find A5, or you can do it by alternate method also. So A5 equal to A plus 4D, first term of generally is 3, and difference is also increasing by 3 because it is a multiple of 3. You can see 3, 6, 9, dot dot dot. So 3 plus 12 is 15. Simple formula for calculating sum is n by 2 A plus L. We will put the values 5 by 2, 3 plus 15. This will cancel by 9 equal to 45, which is your option A. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, then hit that like button, comment how was the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.